Hey guys, how's it going? How to follow restricting after elections. So first of all, make sure that you go to basically monitor your state's legislative sessions, and as they often handle redistricting, right? So basically, go check the state's official website. We're gonna type right here. I remember the website, election website, right? And check your state's official election website or office or legislative website for updates for the U.S. For updates on redistricting plans, and follow local news sources for coverage on proposed maps and public hearings. Stay informed through organizations focused on redistricting, such as Common Cause or the League of Women Voters. And eventually, or the last step, participate in public meetings or hearings to provide feedback on proposed district maps. These steps will keep you informed about the redistricting process in your area. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.